Tesla Semi-Factory starts the year with new walls and windows. Tesla's dedicated factory for its Class 8 all-electric semi-truck welcomed the new year with some fresh construction. Based on the progress of the facility so far, 2025 may very well become the year of the Tesla Semi. Fresh aerial footage from Tesla Semi advocate Heinrich Zane has revealed that the Semi-Factory, which is located close to Giga, Nevada, now has windows and new walls. It is also evident that the facility's concrete slab is nearing completion, and its stamping pit is coming along with rebar cages, with more of the exterior of the Tesla Semi-Factory making very good progress. It would not be surprising if some work on the factory's interior starts in the coming months. 2025, the year of the Tesla Semi. This is the first progress drone flight video for 2025. We have windows, more wall panel progress, concrete slab nearing completion. Stamping pit is coming along with massive rebar cages. This is part 1 of this flight. The Tesla Semi-Factory is expected to start initial vehicle production sometime this 2025. Once ramped, the Tesla Semi-Factory is expected to produce about 50,000 of the Class 8 all-electric trucks every year. This would make it one of the United States' most productive truck factories by volume. Tesla Semi in focus. The Tesla Semi is capable of traveling 300 or 500 miles per charge, on a full load depending on its variant. The vehicle is equipped with 3 independent motors on rear axles. The Tesla Semi is capable of accelerating to highway speeds in 20 seconds with a full load, making it one of the quickest Class 8 trucks in the market. Recent footage of Tesla Semi test units has shown that the electric vehicle maker is now testing the Class 8 all-electric truck with twin tandem trailers. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.